Hello there, and welcome to Disney's Pop Century Resort, where every stay is a nostalgic journey through the decades. This value resort celebrates pop culture from the 1950s through the 1990s. Outside the resort, you'll find bus transportation that'll take you to the 4 theme parks and 2 water parks, including Disney Springs. We're now entering Classic Hall, where you'll find the check-in area for the resort. Inside Everything Pop Shopping and Dining, you'll find everything from Mickey Mouse merchandise to Mickey Mouse waffles. Next up is the Fast Forward Arcade, which is good for kids to enjoy. As you walk out back, behind the main building, you're greeted with a huge pop sign, as well as the 60s section of the resort and the Hippy Dippy pool. Each section of the resort is themed to one of the decades, from the 50s through the 90s. This section is themed to the 1970s. You're greeted with a big wheel and a Mickey Mouse landline phone. This is the 50s section, with oversized bowling pins and jukeboxes. With the exception of the 1970s, each section has its own pool. This last section is both the 80s and 90s with Mr. Potato Head, Roger Rabbit, and even a larger-than-life Walkman. Finally, this resort is connected by bus and the Disney Skyliner. The Skyliner is a gondola-like transportation system that can take you to either Epcot or Disney's Hollywood Studios. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.